Have you ever wondered how Earth, our blue planet, came into existence? How did this tiny speck of life in the vast universe form from nothing but stardust? Today, we're diving deep into the birth of our planet, a journey that started 4.6 billion years ago. To understand how Earth was born, we need to go back to the beginning of our solar system, to a time when everything was just a vast cloud of gas and dust, what scientists call the solar nebula. About 4.6 billion years ago, this cloud began to collapse under its own gravity. As it collapsed, it spun faster and faster, flattening into a disk. At the heart of this disk, the Sun was born, a glowing ball of hydrogen and helium. But the Sun wasn't alone. Surrounding the newborn Sun were small particles of rock and metal. These particles collided, stuck together, and over millions of years they grew into larger bodies called planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. One of these planetesimals grew larger than the others. This was the early Earth, a violent, molten world bombarded by asteroids and comets. In these early days, Earth was constantly being hit by other rocky bodies. Each impact generated intense heat, keeping the surface of the Earth molten, a churning sea of lava. Then, about 4.5 billion years ago, something cataclysmic happened. A Mars-sized object known as Theia collided with Earth. This massive impact sent debris flying into space, and over time, that debris coalesced to form our Moon. After this fiery beginning, Earth began to cool. As the molten surface solidified, the planet formed a rocky crust. But Earth's formation was far from complete. Volcanic activity was intense. Gases from these eruptions, including water vapor, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen, were released into the atmosphere, slowly creating the conditions for life. As Earth cooled further, water vapor in the atmosphere condensed, leading to torrential rains that lasted millions of years. These rains filled the planet's basins, giving birth to the first oceans. The formation of life. With oceans in place, Earth's surface became more stable. And in these ancient waters, something extraordinary happened. Life began. The exact origin of life remains one of science's greatest mysteries. But we believe it started in the deep ocean, around hydrothermal vents, where heat and chemicals provided the energy needed for the first organisms to emerge. From these simple beginnings, life evolved, eventually transforming Earth's atmosphere with the introduction of oxygen, thanks to photosynthetic microbes like cyanobacteria. This oxygen-rich atmosphere would later allow more complex life forms to thrive. Earth's unique qualities. So, why is Earth so special? What makes it different from all the other planets in our solar system? Earth sits in what scientists call the Goldilocks zone, the perfect distance from the Sun, not too hot and not too cold, where liquid water can exist. This, along with Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from harmful solar radiation, and plate tectonics, which help regulate the climate, has made Earth a perfect cradle for life. The present and future. Today, Earth is a vibrant, living planet, home to millions of species, including us. But it's still changing, still evolving. Tectonic plates continue to shift, volcanoes still erupt, and the climate is always in flux. Earth's journey is far from over. From its violent birth to the formation of life, Earth has been shaped by countless forces. And as we look to the stars, searching for other habitable worlds, we are reminded of just how unique and precious our planet truly is. Our planet's formation is a story of chaos, resilience, and wonder. And as we continue to explore our place in the universe, one thing is certain. Earth, our home, is an extraordinary testament to the power of creation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.